All right, welcome back to our series on getting started in crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Phantom wallet. I like Phantom because it's user-friendly and supports Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon. You can use it on multiple browsers. In this case, we're going to be using Chrome. So I've already downloaded it, and once you download it, you'll get to this page where it says either create a new wallet or I already have one. You can import a wallet if you already have one set up. In this case, we're going to set up a brand new one. So we'll say create new wallet, create a password, and then click that, continue. All right, this is where you're going to get your secret recovery phrase or your seed phrase. This is the most important thing, setting up a Phantom or MetaMask or any wallet, right? You're going to want to make sure that you write this down and store it in multiple locations, just because if you lose this, you're going to lose everything that's in your wallet. So this is an extremely important step. All right, so after you have written down your secret recovery phrase, click continue. All right, you're all done. Get started. And what you'll see is that if you click up here on extensions, you'll see your Phantom wallet pop up, and we're already logged in. All right, so that's how you set up the wallet. It will come with Ethereum ready to go, Polygon, and Solana. Next step, what we want to do is we're going to send some Solana to this wallet. We're going to pull it off of Coinbase and send it to our new Phantom wallet. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.